The 44th Annual General Body Meeting of the Bank of India Officers Association (BOIOA) Pune Unit, held at Swami Vivekananda Auditorium, MIT College, was a strong show of unity and concern. Over 1,300 officers from Pune, Nasik, Kolhapur, Solapur and Ratnagiri region came together to raise their voices. More than just a routine meeting, the event reflected the daily challenges, growing pressure, and unwavering spirit of officers in today's public sector banking. The atmosphere was electric, not only because of the sheer scale of participation, but also due to the presence of senior leadership from the Federation of Bank of India Officers Association, FBOIOA. General Secretary Nilesh Pawar, President Nageshwar, Working President Shwetang Trivedi, Vice President Mahendra Dhonse, Treasurer Vikas More, and Media Convener Ashish Tekale Patil lent weight to the discussions. As speakers took the stage, a clear message emerged. Officers are under relentless pressure, facing long hours, technical glitches, and constant digital monitoring. General Secretary Nilesh Pawar called for regular stress management workshops.
If you consider Bank of India, today, this year, we are recruiting more than 1,700 clerks and around 900 plus officers, because recruitment is one of the main things. Because unfortunately, the main crux of the problem is that because of lack of staff, lack of sufficient staff, our service is getting hampered. Like I just told, we are catering to top end customers also. At the same time, we are catering to the masses also. So somewhere, as like I said, that if there is sufficient staff, we will be able to give better service to the customers. And definitely, Federation of Bank of India Officers Association is taking concrete steps in ensuring that recruitment happens at bank, and AIFUC is taking concrete steps that all the banks, irrespective, it is PNB, Canara, Union Bank, all banks, they are recruiting sub-staff clerk officers in good numbers this year.
However, the issue of transfers drew sharp criticism, with many officers highlighting arbitrary and punitive postings.
More than the salary, the working conditions matter. For me, as a General Secretary, अगर आप मेरा personal opinion ले, I can be wrong, but I feel that the safety of my employees, the self-respect of my employees deserve, they should be respected, they should be working with dignity. So, we fight for monetary as well as non-monetary issues. जब हम non-monetary मुद्दों का बात करते हैं, let me tell you that जो major issue है of non-monetary is basically related to recruitment. Because आज क्या है? आज हर एक ब्रांच में जहां 4 स्टाफ होना चाहिए या 10 स्टाफ होना चाहिए, या 10 स्टाफ होना चाहिए वहां 4 स्टाफ है, या 4 स्टाफ होना चाहिए वहां 2 स्टाफ है, and that is resulting into non-performance या non-performance या stress, जो भी बोलेंगे आप.
Working President Shwetang Trivedi flagged instances of officers being sent to distant locations without justification, impacting morale and stability.
और मैं यही रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ टॉप मैनेजमेंट और टॉप लीडर से कि सर हमें अच्छे हथियार दीजिए, टेक्नोलॉजी ग्रुप में हमें अच्छा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दीजिए, वी विल अचीव ऑल टारगेट, और बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का स्टाफ जो है सभी बैंक में ऊंचा रहेगा.
Vice President Mahendra Dhonse highlighted the emotional and physical strain on officers, urging leaders to support, not penalize, staff navigating multiple roles with limited resources. Calling officers our asset, he stressed the need for empathy over blame. Infrastructure issues, especially in rural branches, also took center stage. Officers cited finical outages, weak tech support, and login problems hindering basic services. Pramod Shinde called for centralized grievance tracking and stronger coordination to bridge these operational gaps. Despite serious discussions, the energy and activism stayed strong. The Pune unit was praised for its efforts, like social media campaigns and road marches, and for taking important issues to state leaders. As the meeting ended, President Amol Sangle gave a warm thanks to all volunteers and speakers. The AGM closed with the clear message and new motivation that will guide officers across Maharashtra.
44 annual body meeting. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.